Okay, we're gonna open a box of 1999 to 2000 SP Authentic Basketball. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. I opened a few packs of this as a kid, but don't really have any good cards in the set. The big ones to look out for are the Rookie FX cards. And the Sign of the Times autograph cards. Oh, got an interloper. Kobe's looking a little faded. I don't mean like JR faded, I mean like the ink has faded.
Right.
Okay, shall we?
Yeah.
Let's see what we're looking for. Random assortment of yada yada yada. Okay, excuse me, kitty. It's 45 Rookie FX subset cards, numbered to 1500. 15 Maximum Force, 1 in 4. 12 SP First Class, 1 in 12. 12 SP Athletic cards, 1 in 12. 9 SP Supremacy cards, 1 in 24. 9 Premier Power cards, 1 in 72. Sign of the Times autograph cards, 1 in 23. We'll get 1 autograph card. Sign of the Times Gold autograph cards, each card numbered to 25. SP Authentic Trade cards, 1 in 15,000. SP Buyback autograph cards, 1 in 288, so that's probably the case hit. MJ's Final Floor, level 1, 1 in 2,500. MJ's Final Four, level 2, which is signed. Each one is numbered to 23. And then level 3, also signed, and there's only 1 card available.
Wait, which one there's only one?
The MJ's Final Floor, level 3. One of those was on eBay recently. I think it was for like 35 grand.
That's insanity.
Yeah. So let's get one of those.
Yeah.
I mean, there's only one, so let's get the one of those.
There are not many cards in these packs.
No.
And there are not many packs.
No.
And they're very terrible odds.
Yes.
Huh.
You're very astute.
Yeah.
Very, yeah. Oh, look at that.
That's a cool card. I mean, you know, I gotta admit, it's a very cool.
Yeah, I mean, there are many cards per pack, but they're high quality, they're thick.
Look, they made Sam Cassell look
They've
good.
got embossing, so, you know, if you're blind and you want to know which card this is, you can tell really, or what, you know, number the player wears, you can tell really quickly. Okay.
Hey.
What do you got
Everything
here?
in this room, he has to go through my stuff.
SP Authentic. What is this?
Whoa.
It's a nice card. Oh, it's SP Athletic. Sharif Abdul-Rahim. This is a nice, very high quality. What else? SP Athletic. 1 in 12, so we'll get 2 of those. I like those. I don't like Sharif Abdul-Rahim, but
Yeah, could be worse.
yeah.
It could be Tariq Abdul-Wahad.
Yeah. It's true. You think that way, it's true. There's our first Rookie FX card.
Who dat?
It is
Chucky Atkins.
Chucky Atkins. Woof.
He was a Laker
Woofity woof.
for a couple of very forgettable years.
Yeah.
Get it away, get it away.
Get it out, get it out. Okay. Yeah, I have a feeling this is gonna be a rough box.
Yeah.
I'm already, you know, I'm already feeling it.
I know.
We should have lubed up for this one.
This box is like, it reminds me of Tapas. Just a little bit. Very expensive looking.
Maximum Force. Michael Finley.
I liked Michael Finley to the extent one can like it to Ellis Magner.
What's that one? So 1 and 4.
Scary. Scotty Pepin, a great French player. He's like getting uglier as he gets older. Like his nose is somehow like it's getting thicker.
Yeah, a lot of these packs just have base cards in them. It's rough. It's tough going, these packs.
I love these old Jazz jerseys.
Maximum Force, Chris Webber. These cards are pretty cool. They do, you know, they have a nice shine to them.
We need to get a basketball jersey.
Oh, sign. We got a sign of the times, and unfortunately, I think I saw the player.
Yeah, who is it?
It looked like Tim Thomas.
Oh, no.
So that's right now. That's kind of my fear is that we've got a Tim Thomas autograph.
Maybe it was Tim Duncan.
No, I think he was wearing a Philadelphia jersey. Could have been Iverson, but I don't think so. I think it's Tim Thomas. I think we've got a Timothy. Oh, Larry Hughes. I think that's actually who I was thinking of when I thought of what team was Tim Thomas on? Was he a Sixer?
I don't know if there was a Tim Thomas.
Oh, there was a Tim Thomas. I know that.
There probably have been many Tim Thomases.
Well, there you go.
I can't think of one.
Sign of the times. Larry Hughes. Woofity woof.
Hey, that's still a tight pull. You know, if it weren't like
First class.
Is that Allen Houston?
Not someone I associate with class, but
No. At least not first class, maybe second class. He did have that like one game where he scored like 65 points or something. No, maybe not that. But
no, he's not bad.
Tom Gugliotta.
Pretty athletic. Grant Hill.
Nice.
Yeah, it's got this cool kind of etched foil surface. It's actually nice.
That's the best. So far. That's the coolest one.
Yeah, that actually is the coolest place.
You love Grant Hill.
I do. I was just talking about that. That's why we've got this Grant Hill Raise the Roof card over there. Antoine Jameson. Alright. Take over. Do some work.
I think you already got all the good stuff.
That's not saying much.
Well, we'll see. Oops. Hey, look. T-Mac on the Raptors.
Nice. Vintage T-Mac.
I'll take that if you don't want it.
It's yours.
Hey! And there's Vince on the Raptors, his cousin. Aren't they related?
They are cousins.
Yeah.
They found out at a barbecue, at a family reunion. That's how they found out they were related.
Really?
Yeah.
It's like, huh, I guess it.
Both going to the same family reunion.
I guess it is genetic. I made a mess of this. There's nothing good. Chris Mills. What is that? I got some.
SP Supremacy.
Hey, and Shaq Daddy.
That's nice.
I like that. Alright. I'll take that as a feeling good pull.
Yeah. I can feel good about that one. More maximum force. 2 dice.
I like the Grizzlies better in Vancouver.
Garnett.
Nice.
Well, they certainly made more sense in Vancouver than they do Memphis. You don't associate Memphis with Grizzly Bears.
Yeah, neither do I.
Guy we were just talking about, Keith Van Horn.
Horny Keith? Nice.
Alright, I'll split these last two after this one.
I want Jason Lights.
Cheers, white chocolate. Alright, go ahead, pick one.
Do I want the pack with Kobe on
Upside
it?
down
Or the pack with upside down Kobe on it? I'm gonna go with Bizarro Kobe. This is this Bizarro world? Alright, well, that must mean you're gonna get the going.
There you go.
Lindsay Hunter. That's a girl's name. Antoine. That's not even a real name.
First class, Reggie Miller.
Nice.
Okay. Let's see what the damage is.
That's a surprising amount of, inserts for a pack. I mean, look how small that box is.
Yeah. It's true.
They hooked it up. They weren't jerks.
Could have been worse. Alright, so we've got a bunch of maximum force cards.
So, Peja Stojakovic's real first name was Predrag. What a dope.
Allen Houston, first class. Reggie Miller, first class. I think this was my favorite insert set, the SP Athletics.
That was a really good one.
And it was kind of matching. SP Supremacy. PLFX Chucky Atkins with a Sign of the Times autograph of Larry Hughes.